Welcome back to Miss Teacher Tube with Janice Leon. On today's episode, we're going to be reviewing tens and ones again. On today's episode, we're going to not only review what we've already learned about tens and ones, but we're going to spend a lot of time building numbers with base 10 blocks. You remember the 10 rods are for tens, the little units are for ones. We're going to be representing numbers with those. We're also going to be doing the reverse. We're going to be looking at groups of base 10 blocks and writing down the numerals or quantities that they represent. We have a lot of fun on today's episode. I'll see you soon. For the activities coming up, I would like you to remember that a rod equals 10 and a little unit equals 1. We're going to have to remember this when we count the quantities of base 10 blocks I have coming up for you. Our goal now is to count the base 10 blocks and to write the numerals that represent the quantity of the base 10 material. Our very first group of base 10 blocks we're looking at has 2 tens and 8 ones. 2 tens and 8 ones equals 28. Our second set of base 10 blocks has 4 tens and 9 ones. Together, that is 49. Have fun on the student activities. It's now your turn to count the base 10 materials and write the numerals to go with them. Welcome back. Let's look a little closer at tens and ones. The blue rod will represent tens in a number, and the little yellow unit will represent ones. For this example, if I'm building the number 31, I will need 3 tens and 1 1. I should be able to count out the numbers starting with the tens and go 10, 20, 30 for my 10 rods plus 1. 31. Now the next number we're going to look at is 27. You can see I have 2 10 rods and 7 ones. I should be able to count out the numbers starting with the tens, 10, 20, and then count my ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, for a total of 27. Now, if you're in my class, you will have plenty of opportunity and experience working with base 10 materials and building numbers with tens and ones. But for your home practice, I would like you to practice drawing your tens and ones. We are going to draw a line for tens and a dot for ones. Now again, if you're in my class, you've already practiced this earlier this year, so this will be a little bit of a review for you. So let's practice first with the number 31. We're going to draw 3 lines for the tens and 1 dot for the ones. So we count our tens, 10, 20, 30, and 1, 1 equals 31. With the number 27, we're going to practice drawing 2 lines for tens and 7 dots for ones. So our total, we're going to count starting from the tens, 10, 20, and then we're going to count on our ones, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That gives us a total of 27. Have fun working on the student activities. I'll see you soon. Well, we've come to the end of another Miss Teacher Tube episode. I hope you've learned a lot today about representing numbers to 100 with base 10 blocks. And of course, looking at different groups of base 10 materials and writing the numerals that they represent. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Again, if these videos are useful to you, please like and subscribe. Bye for now.